Okay, let's make some quick little pom-poms for the Easy Peasy Pom-Pom coaster. I've already made one right here, and I will show you quickly how to make another one. I'm using Bernat Super Value yarn. It's a worsted weight yarn. And all I'm gonna do is wrap it around 3 of my fingers about 20 times. You can do anywhere from 20 to 30 times, but these are just some cute little tiny pom-poms, and so I'm gonna make them a little bit less fluffy than I usually would. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm gonna clip this off. Now I'm going to slide it off my fingers. I'm just going to set it down. I'm going to clip off another strand of yarn. I'm going to put it right under there, kind of in the middle of it. And I'm going to pull tight and tie a knot. Pull as tight as you can. Let's tie another knot. And another knot. And one more for good luck. Okay, I'm going to hold on to these strands. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut these loops. I think I have them all cut. Now I'm just going to trim my pom-pom. Remember, this is just kind of a loosey-goosey pom-pom, just to add a little fringe to the 4 corners of our little coaster. Oops, missed a loop. All right. I think this looks good. Okay. There we have it. And now I'm going to take these 2 strings that I have left. Start with this corner. And I'm just going to loop it through. And I use the other one. I'm going to tie it on tightly. And then what I would recommend doing is weaving these ends in so you can ensure that it's not going to come untied. So we can take our tapestry needle and just weave these ends right in so they don't come undone. There's one. Okay. Put those off. And there is one of our little tiny pom-poms. And then you're going to do the same for the remaining 3 corners.